question. So, speaking of Vice President Leni Robredo, do you have any plans na bigyan na nga siya talaga ng cabinet post or any plan for her?
Is that a question or a suggestion?
No, sir. A question,
A
sir.
question. Okay, I'll satisfy everybody because that is the question that everybody, every media that I get to meet, especially up and close personal, they always say, anong ibigay mo kay Leni? Now, are you a friend of Leni? Well, do you have a way of communicating with Leni Robredo, the Vice President? Can you call her now?
No, sir.
Ito to.
No, sir. Nababasa ko lang, sir, na she expressed her desire to have a cabinet post and to join with your...
Do you have the number of Leni? Call her.
Ayoko na.
Because I will tell her what you are asking me always. Gaging. Gusto na ba tanong tapos nga na yun?
Ayoko na, sir.
Oh, you listen. Ma'am Leni, it is afternoon pa pala. Good afternoon. Nandito ako sa opisina ngayon. Tinatanong ako ni Rocky Ignacio sa Malacanang Press kung bibigyan ko raw kayo ng pwesto sa kabinete. Yun ang tanong niya. Pwede kong sagutin? At tinanong ko rin. Kasi panay kasi ang nahihiya na ako, ma'am eh. Yang nakikinig ang buong cabinet, ma'am. Pati yung kasi gusto ko, alam mo, ma'am, kasi naman kita para mahinto na itong tanong-tanong. Pwede po, kaya nga do not be apologetic, but gusto ko na itong tanong. Pwede ka housing, ma'am? Can you be the housing secretary? Tanggapin mo, ma'am? Yes. Wag na, ma'am, kunin mo na lang the executive secretary will hand you the appointment. So mahinto na ito, ma'am, kasi tatanggapin mo man kaya. Sige, ma'am, so that you'll be on time with the next cabinet meeting and even on security matters para you'll be kept abreast of what is happening to our country. Just for you to know.